Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to stop recurring transactions on Wells Fargo. Open your web browser and type in wellsfargo.com in the address bar. Once you're on the Wells Fargo website, look for the section labeled Personal and click on it. In the Personal section, navigate to the Customer Service tab and give it a click. From there, you will find the menu of options. Look for Online Banking Help and select it. In the Online Banking Help section, you will see various topics. Scroll down or search for Card Controls questions and click on it. Now, you will be on the Card Controls questions page. Look for the question that says "What is a recurring payment?" and click on it. A recurring payment occurs when you have made at least 3 payments to the same merchant or service provider in the past 12 months through Wells Fargo, online bill pay, or you have authorized a merchant or service provider to take payment from your checking account or debit, prepaid, or credit card on a regular basis. Please contact the merchant or service provider directly to request changes or cancellation to recurring payments. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.